Observing different types of friction. The ball rolling across the floor comes to a halt after some time. A bicycle comes to stop after a while when the pedaling is stopped. These incidents happen due to a force called frictional force. Frictional force comes to play when any two objects are in contact with each other, and when any object is moving over the surface of another. Frictional force comes into play when there is a motion taking place. Let's observe different types of friction through an experiment. Materials required for the experiment: a book, a string, a spring balance, few pencils of same size, and a wooden surface. 1. Tie the string around the book. 2. Attach the other end of the string to the spring balance. 3. Pull the spring balance to drag the book. 4. Measure the force on the spring balance. 1. Now, place some pencils underneath the book. 2. Pull the spring balance to drag the book. 3. Measure the force on the spring balance. Observations from the experiment. 1. Force of friction is less when pencils were placed underneath the book. 2. It is easier to roll a book than to slide it. 3. Sliding friction is always more than rolling friction. Examples of sliding and rolling friction. Example of sliding friction. Example of rolling friction.